Where is the rooster? Okay. Where's my chicken? Okay. It's 25 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. This one is the beautiful one. Okay, and they think they can eat anything. Okay. Look at this one, they were aggressive. It's gonna peck me. Oh, because it's their time. We are raising chickens, so we're gonna allow them to go in. Did they close that door? So we cleaned their house. It's right there. And there is their water. What do you mean, why so many chicken? I have a lot of people to eat. Yeah. There is the house. See the rooster? So that's my 25 chicken with one rooster. That makes them 26. So now let's see the other ones. Then we'll go to the garden. That's their drinking water is there. Okay. So now they are still young. They can't roam outside. Then we come here. These are older ones. Okay. These ones can go outside and roam around. Then they lay the eggs. Let's see if they have any eggs. You are talking about you doing what you like. So now, for me, I eat fresh eggs. I don't have to wait to go to the shop to buy eggs. Let's see. Let's see if there's any eggs. We have to be quiet because they might be laying. There's one there laying. Oh, look at this one wants to go. See, the eggs are there. That one, I have one. That one is laying. See, they want to escape. They're eating. There's eggs there. Okay, fresh. Okay, that's what we are doing. Hi, Stevie. Good, how are you? We brought more wood chips to the... Yeah. Because we had just a little bit. Yeah, so let's go to the garden. I'm coming. Let's go to the garden. Remember I was telling you guys about the corn? The maize, we call it. Okay. Here is the corn. It rained so bad. Okay. The corn is all up. Okay. Then the deer ate all the leaves of the pumpkin. You want us to bring the chicken home? Tukule kamoja ka fresh. Okay, the corn is all up here. Oh my goodness, there's a deer that is feeding off. The ground is wet. It's all mind. It's all corn. All corn. You need the ground to dry. Okay. It rained. Look at the progress of the pumpkin. It's taking its course very fast. Hey, this one went fast. We just need a fence for the other one. The sagas are here. There's one managu. There's one saga there. There's one managu there. Okay. So that's the garden progress here on this end. Hi. Okay. It is hot. It's probably 90 degrees here in New Jersey. It's extremely hot. So that's garden manenos. Okay. I need people to help me weed this corn. So when you start asking to eat, at least you'd have done some work. Come help me. Oops.
Yeah, I was just going to feed them. They can go without.
Yeah, it's okay. She said, okay, so now, there they are. There is chicken. Now they can come and eat. See? Put the food, we have cleaned them.
They're getting big quick.
They're getting big. Yeah, the rooster is big too.
They're pretty.
Very pretty. Especially the gold and black.
Yeah, they're real pretty.
This one is real pretty. Look at that one. Actually, this is a black and white. The other one is gold and black. We have like 4 colors. Or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Okay, good people. Okay, Stevie, I'll see
You
you.
want me to cut these off? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Not even cut them. You can just untie them. Yeah. They don't need to be there because what she's saying is true. If the water spills there, then it starts smelling damp.
Yeah.
It's okay. They can drink water outside. Okay, Stevie, let me take these children home.
Okay, Penny,
Okay, who wants chicken? You want chicken? We are done now. Let me take the children home. Came to put the wood chip on the floor for them so they can sleep comfortably at night. Okay, guys? Cheers.